guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a video that is kind of different for me. I'm doing a what we eat in a day, and this is going to include our whole family, and it's going to be like a real life version. I just decided to do it just for something different. So if you're new here, my name is Lynette. I live in Sarasota, Florida with my family, and we're a family of 4. At present, I'm expecting our 5th member of the family, but 3rd child. So the boys are both going to school right now, and that means there is lunches for them. Caden gets a lunch and a snack. He's in kindergarten, and Jackson gets a snack because he goes for half a day. And Wednesdays, which is what today is generally Nick's day off. And so today we're gonna be in and out a lot of the house. It's a pretty busy day. We have an appointment in the afternoon, just running around. So we have a pretty busy day, but I figured you would enjoy seeing what we have today throughout the day. So let me know if you like these kind of videos, and if you're new, I'd love to have you subscribe. So Wednesdays, Nick has off from his regular job. He usually is gonna do kind of his own thing or whatever, but we dropped the boys off this morning at school, and he wants a little pastry or something, I guess. I said, well, this could be a tradition. So this is not a normal everyday occurrence, but
it could be.
It's what we're doing today. So I'm just, showing you guys what we're eating, so. So we're at Panera Bread. I said, hey, I've got a free pastry at Panera. I'm getting a coffee. Again, I don't think I drank my whole coffee this morning. I usually only drink about, usually 1 cup a day. But I have another cup here, partially decaf and partially regular. And then I'm gonna have a blueberry scone. What kind of frap is this?
You know what? I don't
Caramel.
know. It's caramel something.
Frozen cold brew or something.
There you go. You nailed it.
Okay. Alright, so it's pretty much stop and go today. We have Jackson. We had to run a few errands. We were working this morning a little bit. Now we came home and we have around, I don't know, 45 minutes or so. And we're gonna quickly eat a little bit of lunch. I was gonna make BLTs, but I don't know if I'm gonna take the time. I might have time. I need to kind of change and everything yet, but it's actually a really good day because we have a home chef box that came today, and they're sponsoring today's video, which I am super grateful for. So we'll be doing home chef for dinner tonight. It's gonna be extremely handy because I'm not really having a lot of time to think about dinner today. But I'll go into that later. For lunch, I'm gonna figure out what we're gonna eat and I will show you. Oh, side note, I don't know how picky people are. Nick had a granola bar this morning too, so there's that.
You can't just eat 3 meals a day.
Well, I know, I was pretty hungry. I almost ate one too. I mean, look at that bod.
How do you get this? Eating 3 meals a day. So what do Ninja Turtles eat for lunch?
Huh? Pizza.
That's not pizza.
The orange one does.
This one's not. It's not pizza. What do you got here, bud?
The blue one doesn't like his pizza.
Got a little bit of bologna,
Yeah, balloon.
cheese,
Yeah, balloon.
crackers,
Balloon.
Make
healthy
sure they do a
veggies,
trail.
Yeah.
trail bologna.
Yeah, baloney.
Mm-mm.
All right, BLTs it is, and chocolate milk. And for dessert, very fancy here, guys, but this is some pumpkin bars that I made. So Nick had some, and I'm having some as well. Okay, so we're back from being gone all afternoon, stop and go, stopped in here and had to leave again, that kind of thing. So I'm ready to just be at home, and I'm ready to eat. We are gonna have these steak flautas. Is that how you pronounce it? I'm probably not pronouncing it right. We'll see, but, oh, Caden's here. He's eating, what are you eating? Yeah, I shouldn't let him eat his apple right before supper, but he never found the snack in his backpack today. I felt kind of bad. So I'm gonna let him, I guess, eat it. Hopefully he'll wanna eat supper too. But other than a few shortbread cookies a little while ago, we didn't eat since lunchtime. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with dinner and kind of get the show on the road, I guess. So as far as what Home Chef is, for those of you who don't know, I feel like a lot of you probably have heard me talk about it because I've been working with Home Chef for almost a year now, but I am going to continue working with them because I enjoy what they offer and I just like this service. It is a meal delivery service that you can fully customize yourself. So when you sign up, you will be able to go in and customize how often you want food delivered and how many meals you want. You can skip weeks. You can check that out. They have a lot of different options as far as what types of food. So definitely a lot of variety, and you don't get a lot of the same repeat meals. You can pick whatever meals you want. They have easy, ready-to-go options as well. Some that don't have any cooking required and that sort of thing. So they're offering you guys a discount, and it'll be $20 off your first 4 orders, so a total of $80. And you can order, say for instance, 1 meal. When you sign up as a new customer, you order 1 meal or like 1 box, and it'll give you, I think I should clarify that. It'll give you $20 off your first box, and then the next time you want to order another one, you will get another $20 off of it. And you don't have to order these in any particular order or speed or whatever. You can kind of customize that yourself.
1 tablespoon tomatoes?
No,
Is that what you said?
1 tablespoon water. Woohoo! Now, you can put all the tomatoes in the pan.
No, that wasn't awkward.
This knife is very sharp, honey. Did you not realize? And I've cut myself, so. But it's the only knives you'll ever need. At least in my humble opinion.
Is that a humble opinion?
Okay, maybe not humble, I don't know.
You struggling a lot to think that you got the sharpest knife in town.
How about you try it? Here, how about you do the other envelope now? I don't even know what chimichurri tastes like. Smells good. Anyway, Nick and I like to have fun, so. As far as the Home Chef thing, back to the code will be Lynette 80, and I'll have it linked down in the description box for you guys, and they'll have the Home Chef link and everything. So make sure you go try it out if you're curious. As far as their meals, you can actually see the recipe card in a couple of my clips. They have it all like written out so you can see it, and yeah, the instructions are all right there, and you can actually save your recipes and remake them later, I feel like, at least some of them. So it's just a nice way to be able to look. I personally like looking at pictures when I'm making a recipe, just, I don't know, easier to follow or something. So yeah, I just appreciate the service that Home Chef has.
What do you think, Em?
Pretty good. I feel like it's different seasons than I've ever had before, which is probably more why they call it Argentinian. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's just kind of like a light summer meal. So.
What do you think about your cheese quesadilla?
It's very good. It tastes like a taco truck.
Tastes like the taco truck.
Wow, thank you, thank you.
That's a compliment. What do you say, bud?
I love it.
You love it.
Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. This is the end of the what we eat in a day. I haven't eaten anything since dinner. I kind of have a little bit of a craving for something sweet yet. But let me know if you guys enjoyed the video, if you want me to keep doing these occasionally. I know you all seem to like food videos and stuff, so let me know. But anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.
Yeah.
Bye.
I'm not done eating yet.
What?
It's only 8:30. I'm not done eating yet.
Well, I know. I mean, I might eat a little bit something yet, but shh. Don't have to tell them that. I am eating for two. What can I